there YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Back here again with Peter with another video in the series of paint correction. And today Peter is going to give us a demonstration on a rotary polisher this time. So no dual action throw or forced anything. It's just direct drive, more or less, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm gonna use the same combination as I used before, but this time just change the machine.
Okay.
The pad is already primed, so we just add a little bit of compound.
Something you have to be aware of with the rotary, Peter, it does get hotter, doesn't it?
Those there is about 45 degrees temperature on the panel. If the temperature exceeds that, well, the paint won't burn as quick, but the effectivity of polishing is
Reduced.
It's reduced good bit.
Yeah.
Around 45 up to around 45 degrees is the maximum temperature.
And I suppose if it gets too hot, does the product actually, does it evaporate, or
it starts to become more dusty?
Yeah.
And like all that, when it's too hot, like the job will not go right.
That's
so,
where you get like a chalky residue, is it? Or
well, more. Yeah, it starts to dry too quick, and then it's creating mess. Like if the compound starts to become dusty, then how you create holograms too. Basically, as you saw here, the working process was quite clean. There was no really mess.
Here a few minutes later now, we've let the panel cool off, so Peter's just going to wipe it off, and we'll have a look then.
So we have completed the second pass of rotary. Now I could still use the rotary for finishing, but then in this case it probably would take me 2 more stages. So the most reasonable option is use dual action.
Okay.
And finish it off with dual action. Same combination as in the previous video, along with Sonax. We have the coating stage completed. To get rid of buffer trails after rotary, I'm gonna use the same combination as I used in previous video for coating stage.
Okay.
Because that combination worked pretty well. So again, I'm gonna use ADBL coating pad and H8 Kokemi hard coat compound. And for the last stage, I'm gonna use ADBL red pad and Sonax perfect finish.